Welcome to the GS-Cobra Experience, a 6-part video series that describes the setup, use and enjoyment of this product. The GS-Cobra is a motion simulator designed and sold by Geko Systems. The product can be best described as force feedback for your torso. Why let your arms have all the fun? This is the second motion simulator from Geko. The GS-Cobra replaces their first product, the GS-105 and GS-105C. I have owned a GS-105C since March 2017, and on seeing the improvements made to the GS-Cobra, I decided to upgrade. I'm not going to bore you with a tedious unboxing video, so here's some photos showing how well packaged it is for transportation. The whole package weighs 39 kilograms, and mine has travelled over 2,000 kilometres or around 1,300 miles. I've highlighted a number of improvements over the original product. I'll start with the overall visual impact of the GS-Cobra. It looks sportier than its predecessor, but its sleekness is still limited by the mechanical parts hidden inside. A red and black or an all black are the available colour options. The seating section is now more enveloping around the body, and the backrest now slightly more reclined, in keeping with a real racing seat. The upper backrest can now be locked into place with 2 hooks. This helps with posture if the GS-Cobra is just being used as a general seat and not as a motion simulator. It is essential to make sure these hooks are returned to their storage positions when going racing, as leaving the upper backrest locked could damage the mechanism. The upper backrest is now sprung loaded, so it returns to its rest position when not being used. This new feature also keeps the upper backrest better centred during gameplay. The strap mechanism has been redesigned, which now needs just a single strap across the chest. By default, the GS-Cobra has 4 mounting points, but the positioning of these can be changed or removed altogether when ordering. I have mounted mine on what can only be described as a homemade furniture mover with lockable casters. The platform and seat are connected by heavy-duty Velcro. I chose this design as it allows me to move the GS-Cobra around easily for PC maintenance and general cleaning. The GS-Cobra is connected to the PC by a single USB cable and driven by a 24-volt power supply. Both are supplied with the GS-Cobra. The PSU is multi-voltage, but you may have to supply your own power cable due to the various designs of electrical socket used across the globe. Once you've installed the GC Manager software, setting up for a game is a simple process. The input source sets the game you want to work with the seat. The input profile option sets the overall strength of the forces the GS-Cobra will deliver. The G-seat profile setting modifies the overall feel of the forces being generated. The strength and feel can be modified by the user if required. Pressing the start button enables the seat to begin reacting to telemetry data. The starting and stopping of the seat can be performed by the 3 key press of Ctrl, Alt and F9. For ease of access, I use the Joy-to-Key software, which enables me to map this key combination to a button on my steering wheel. In the next video, I will show the GS-Cobra in action using a variety of cars and tracks in Automobilista 2.